Imagine a world where the richest land on earth finally claimed its destiny. Not the Congo they show you on the news. Not the Congo they write about in their history books. Not the Congo they carved in boardrooms thousands of miles away. The Congo that was always meant to be. Welcome to Congo without colonization. Before we imagine the future, we must honor the truth of today. The Democratic Republic of Congo sits on over 24 trillion worth of natural resources. Cobalt, Coltan, gold, diamonds, copper, the minerals that power every smartphone in your pocket, every electrical car on the road, every battery that runs the modern world. They come from Congo. Yet, generations, the Congolese people have seen little of that wealth. Colonization, exploitation, conflict, a land blessed beyond measure, treated as a resource to be taken rather than a nation to be built. But this is not a story of pain. This is a story of what happens when that changes. It is the year 2042 and Kinshasa is unrecognizable. Where there were once unpaved roads, wide clean boulevards stretch as far as the eye can see. Where there were once crumbling buildings, architecture that celebrates African genius rises into the sky. Designed by Congolese architects, built by Congolese hands, and funded by Congolese wealth. The Congo Basin, once threatened by deforestation, is now the most protected rainforest on the planet. A national treasure, guarded fiercely, celebrated globally. The air is clean, the rivers run clear, and for the first time in generations, the people of Congo are home. In 2042, Congo does not export raw materials. Those days are gone. Congo processes. Congo manufactures. Congo innovates. The cobalt that once left those shores for pennies on the dollar now powers batteries built right there in Kinshasa. A sovereign wealth fund established in 2029 ensures that every dollar of resource revenue returns to the Congolese people. Education, healthcare, infrastructure, housing. The Kinshasa Tech Hub, the largest technology campus on the African continent, produces software engineers, AI researchers, and entrepreneurs whose work is felt in every corner of the globe. Congo is not catching up with the world, yet the world catching up with Congo. But the numbers and buildings tell only half the story. Walk the streets in Kinshasa in 2042, and what you feel is dignity. Children walk to schools that rival any in the world. Hospitals that heal without bankrupting families. Markets that overflow because of aid, but because of a striving economy built from the ground up. The music of Congo, always one of the greatest gifts this nation gave the world, now fills concert halls from London to Tokyo. Congolese fashion, Congolese cuisine, Congolese art, on the world stage, celebrated, respected, and sought after. A grandma sits outside her home in Goma. She remembers the conflict. She remembers the fear. She looks at her granddaughter, laughing, running, free. And she says one word: merci. Thank you. Thank you, God. Thank you to every Congolese person who refused to give up on what this nation would become. Congo 2042, it's not just a Congolese story. It is an African story. Because when the most rich resource nation on the continent finally controls its own destiny, the ripple effect is felt everywhere. Investment flows south. Technology transfer east. Agricultural innovation spreads west. And a new generation of African leaders, educated, connected, and apologetic, reshapes the global order. The African Union, strengthened by a prosperous Congo at its heart, negotiates on equal terms with every major power on earth. And this is not a charity. This is Africa on its own terms. You may be watching this from London, from Lagos, from Brussels, from Kinshasa itself. You may have family from Congo, or you may have never set foot on the African soil. But somewhere inside you, this vision stirs something. Because we all know in the deepest part of ourselves that the world is not as it should be. Wealth does not flow where it was found, and the history was not written fairly. That the potential of an entire people is deliberately suppressed for far too long. But potential cannot be suppressed forever. Congo always had everything it needed: the land, the resources, the people, the spirit. All it needed was the chance. This is not just a dream. This is not fantasy. This is a real vision built on real resources, real people, and a real history that demands a better future. Congo 2042, the richest nation on earth. Finally, home. Finally. And if this vision moved you, share it with someone who needs to see it. Comment below which country we should imagine next. And if you do believe that the world could be a better place than it is, subscribe. Because we are just getting started.